Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask the Italian Lawyer, presented by Italiancitizenshipassistance.com as well as ItalianRealEstateLawyers.com. We, of course, are with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. And in this episode, we wanted to talk about something that has happened in the news recently. A U.S. senator has put forward a bill that would effectively try to get rid of dual citizenship as a whole. But Marco, in this episode, I wanted to ask you, what is currently happening? What is in the bill? And does it seem like this could actually go forward?
I have conferred with my US partners on this matter, and they all agree that this is unlikely to pass. First of all, many bills are regularly put forward every month, and only a minority of them actually become law. Regardless, even if there are no official numbers, some sources estimate that there could be at least 5 million Americans that hold dual citizenship, including many members of the US Congress. And therefore, a bill of this kind could affect millions of people, but also it could face serious constitutional challenges. In fact, there is a Supreme Court decision from 1967 that clearly indicates that the US government has no power to strip any American citizen of their US citizenship forcibly without a voluntary renunciation. And so if you consider that what Senator Moreno would like to accomplish is that if an American citizen holds dual citizenship, they will have to choose one or the other. And if they fail to do so within 1 year from the enactment of this law, the US government would be entitled to forcibly strip away the person from their US citizenship. As I just mentioned, this would not be allowed under US Constitution and would violate the 14th Amendment. And in conclusion, it doesn't seem as though this bill should be any cause for concern.
Well, Marco, thank you so much for telling us a little bit more about this bill and what is currently going on. Of course, for those of you who may be interested in this topic and others like it, be sure that you're subscribed to this YouTube channel as well as the audio-only podcast. But of course, if you're subscribed to this YouTube channel, that means that you're subscribed also to the Italian Citizenship podcast as well as the Italian Real Estate podcast. And for more discussions that have to do with expat life and life as a dual citizen abroad, be sure to come over to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/Rafael Di Furia. But of course, again, we have been here with Italian attorney Marco Permunian, and I am Rafael Di Furia. Stay safe and healthy out there, and we will see you all next time. Thank you.
Thank you.